This is Selva. Day by day IT related videos and technical for software related videos were uploaded in my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainers. If in any issues or any problems or any query is there, just comment me in comment section. We reply you, we solving you. Okay. Now I am open at a time. This is tab is come activation tab, but it is not working for some reasons. Okay, what is the reason? We check it. You want new activation key, go on by click and here just sign in. Already you have signed in, just sign in, or you not have newly you want to just create new account and just sign in and subscription collect it. Okay, just come that tab for browser, close and come here. You have already account now by just sign in here, fulfill it your account. It is automatically activated, but it is not working. If any issues or any queries there, just comment me in comment section, we reply you. Okay, I am signing in. Here comes error also. How to resolve the problem? Okay, go to activation for search option. It is work or not, check it. It is activation tab, it is working, but activate issue. Okay, how to solve and how to activate. Now activation app, just right click, open file location 2 times, one time and another shortcut again in another time. You have check first in installation directory all files is there or not for activation files and Foxit editor files. Okay, check and once keep it to paste. Okay, after open and your Foxit app, it is work or not, check. If any issues or any problem or any queries you have, just comment me in description. We have links, more links, go and check for this activation issues, go and active.